Do you want to add some holiday spirit to your Snapchat profile? In this video, I'll show you how to get the Santa Claus hat on your Snapchat Bitmoji. With a few easy steps, you can have your Bitmoji wearing a Santa Claus hat and instantly spread joy to all your friends. I will also show you exactly how to get the festive hats onto your Bitmoji avatar in no time. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Snapchat application and then tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on this cloth hanger-looking icon over here. Once you are on this screen, you can change all the clothing on your Bitmoji avatar. So go ahead and tap on the hat icon over here. And now you'll see all the Christmas-themed hats at the top. The first one is the Santa Claus hat, the second one is the elf hat, the third hat is the reindeer hat, and the fourth hat is a Christmas tree hat. I'm simply going to select the Santa Claus hat, but you can select any hat you like. Once you've selected a hat, tap on the Save button at the top right corner of the screen. And now you have successfully added a Santa Claus hat to your Bitmoji. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.